she's still in there?
No, I am her.
Oh, you are her?
Yes.
Okay, he's still in there?
Yes, he's still in there.
What kind of gun does he have?
He has a 9 Glock millimeter. He has license to carry. He used to be an armed security guard.
Okay.
But my fear is that he gonna hurt himself.
Okay. Is the house unlocked?
I don't know after I left. I just got the hell out of there because he cut the lights out.
Okay. Well, we're gonna have to take him into custody. His name is.
Yes.
Okay. And we're gonna need your keys to see if it's unlocked or not. What's your name? Okay. And briefly, what happened tonight?
We went to his parents' house, had dinner at his parents. And
Just in the house. We'll get the
in
long
the
story.
house,
Yep.
we got into an argument because I wouldn't come to bed when he wanted to go to bed.
Okay.
So he turned out all the lights on.
How did the gun come into play?
The gun came to play when I confronted him about turning all the lights out on me. I said, why would you turn the lights on? I'm watching TV. He said, well, you need to come to bed. I said, you can't make me go to bed. I'm not ready to go to bed. And so he came back downstairs, sat down with me. He asked me about the wood that was in the backyard, and I said, I'll just grab it. I'll grab it so it doesn't get wet. So I brought the wood in, set it in the room, and because I didn't hear him, what he said after, he wouldn't repeat himself, so he got upset. And so I said, I'm just sick and tired of trying to explain myself, or you're always upset about everything. I'm not ready to go to bed.
Okay. Did he pull out the gun and point it at you?
No,
he just had it in his hand?
He had it in his hand. He cocked it. Well, I was upstairs in the bed. He cocked the gun. He's like, I'm sick and tired of this shit.
Okay. Did that cause you to fear for your safety?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I
Can
left.
you just wait in the car for us then?
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you have my car key. Well, I'll just leave the car.
I can unlock it with the beeper?
Yeah.
Here, tell you what. I'll just take this off here. Because this is a hook on here, and then you can keep the rest of the keys, alright?
Yes. Yeah, you gotta twist it. Here, nice. Please. Thank you.
And it's
the
pink one? Victim is outside, suspect is inside. We're trying to make entry. Police! Come in. Docs not working. Great. I think it's unlocked. Can't see it. Police! Dog in front. Nice. Dog. Big dog? Decent size. Doesn't seem friendly. Hands! 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 Hands!
Let me see your hands! Don't move!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
I got the gun! Yeah, take this.
I got it.
Alcohol shooting to the west of this wall. Third shot, ball 20.
Where? 746, we're going to need medical for a white man approximately 40 years of age, shot to the face.
Help me, sweetheart. Please. I'm sorry.